2D drawing week is just too much. Ordering parts without 2D drawing?
Yeah, if you use MISUMI's meviy service, you don't need to convert to 2D drawings.
Huh? What's that? That sounds amazing. Meviy? Ah, another overtime day. 2D drawing week is just too much.
I'm heading out now. See you tomorrow. Oh, aren't you leaving too, Mike?
Well, it's because of the current project's 2D drawing phase. Another overtime day for me. Hey, by the way, why can you leave on time every day?
Because I don't do the drawings myself. I try to order parts without 2D drawing as much as possible.
Huh? Wait, what do you mean? Ordering parts without 2D drawing?
Yeah, if you use MISUMI's meviy service, you don't need to convert to 2D drawings.
Huh? What's that? That sounds amazing. Meviy? That'll cut down on overtime, right? I want to use it right away. Can I ask you about it now?
Sure. First look up meviy.
Thanks. Meviy. Found it. Is it this?
That's it. Once you access meviy, you can use it immediately without downloading any software. But you need a free MISUMI account. Do you have one, Mike?
Yeah, I have one. I made an account at the company when I bought the part cleaner.
Then you can use it right away. Click Start Now in the middle of the screen. Enter your email address and password and log in.
Click this. Start now. Oh, done. I've entered the account and password. Now I'm logged in.
Okay, you're logged in now. Next, simply upload the 3D CAD data.
Okay.
Next, just drag and drop the CAD data you want to order.
I'll try putting this sheet metal that I should have ready to go from earlier here. Just put it in like this. Wow, it started loading.
That's it. It's all ready now. All that's left is to select the material and surface treatment and place the order.
Okay.
Then, please just click the blue button that says Next.
Next? Right, I'll click on this. Huh? Should I select the material and surface treatment on the left side?
That's right. Since meviy has already got the shape, all that's left is the settings on the left.
The dimensions are already included. The material for this one is 304 stainless. No need for surface treatment.
Once you set it up, press the Confirm the Quotation Conditions button.
This button on the left? Oh, the price and the part number are here. Huh? The part number is the same as the catalog ones, Rob.
That's right. meviy can treat drawing items as catalog items.
Wow, that's amazing. You don't have to do the 2D drawings yourself? That's super convenient. Well, with this, I can leave earlier today and go to the sauna.
Feel free to ask me anything about how to use meviy.
Thanks.